Good day everyone, I'm Dehoan John Paul and I'll be discussing about the role of religion. In today's modern world, one of the most complex and controversial forces shaping human events is religion. Despite the rise of science, technology, and secular politics, religion continues to influence people's beliefs, emotions, and even conflicts across the globe. This documentary explores how religion, once separate from political power, has once again taken center stage in global struggles. From the time of the Enlightenment, society began to move away from religious control and embrace secularism, the idea that government and religion should be separate. Politics became more rational, focus on human reason rather than divine authority. Yet, as this documentary reveals, religion never truly disappeared. It remained a deep part of human identity, quietly shaping values and worldviews. And now, in the 21st century, it has emerged, not as peace and faith alone, but also as a powerful force behind conflict and ideology. Religion provides more than just faith. It provides meaning. For extremists, it becomes a metaphor for cosmic war, the eternal battle between good and evil, truth and sin. The essay connects this to the attack on the World Trade Center, showing how the attackers viewed their mission not just as political but as spiritual warfare. Their goal was not merely to destroy buildings but to deliver a symbolic blow against global economic power and to create fear that resonates on a moral level. In today's media-driven society, these acts of religious terrorism are not only acts of violence, they are performances of power. They are designed for television and social media to make people see the conflict as moral and divine. The essay emphasizes that this spectacle transforms ordinary conflicts into sacred battles, where religious ideas justify extreme actions. Through this analysis, we see a profound truth. The world does not only politicize religion but also religionize politics. Faith and power have intertwined once more. What were once worldly struggles are now lifted to a sacred stage, where beliefs fuel battles and moral conviction justifies violence. Yet, amidst all this, one message remains clear: religion, at its core, was never meant for destruction, but for understanding, compassion, and peace. The challenge of our time is to reclaim that purpose and remind the world that faith should unite humanity, not divide it. And that's all for my discussion on the role of religion.